Dear students of class 8, this video class, the name of the chapter is multiplication of algebraic expression. Okay. Before finding the product of algebraic expression, let us look at the following simple rules. Rules are: first step, multiplying the signs of two factors like this, plus a plus, minus a minus a plus a minus a minus, minus a plus a minus. You have to remember. Then multiply the step 2, multiply their numerical coefficient, mean real number of two factors. Just like that, 2 and 3 having the real number, 2 and 3 are the numerical coefficient, the 2 3 is 6. Then step 3, multiply the variables of two factors. If variables are same, their power shall be added like this, x square into x cube. So base are same in x, so write x and power shall be added 2 plus 3, that is equal to x to the power 5. If variables are not same, then all variables shall be adjusted like this, xy into pq, that is equal to xy pq. All variables are not same, so 4 variables are adjusted. Then a into b, having the no same variable, so ab the adjusted, x into y, variables are not same, so xy are adjusted. Now let us the few example. So examples helps you to understand clearly. Here find the product of minus 4x and 7x. First of all, minus 4x into 7x. First multiply their sign, minus a plus a minus, and then their coefficient 4 or 7, 28, and x same base रहने के कारण for same base, so power shall be added 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 20x square. Here minus 4x and 7x, that is the result. Next question, 8a into 3b. So first of all multiply the 8 3 is 24 and a b adjusted, क्योंकि a and b are not the same variables. Third question, minus 3xy into 2x. So first of all multiply the sign, minus a plus a minus, their coefficient 3 to the 6, and x same base होने के कारण power shall be added 1 plus 1, and y will be adjusted, and minus 6x square, that is the answer. And few questions you will work out in the front of the NCERT book. NCERT book say exercise 9.2. Okay, find the product of the following pairs of the monomials. Monomials mean there are one terms, the 4 and 7p. First of all multiply 4 into 7p and plus a plus, 4 7 is 28, and p will be the adjusted. Minus 4p and 7p, minus a plus a minus, 7 is 28, and power shall be added. Okay, minus 20p square. Here the minus 4p into 7p cube, so minus a plus a minus 28, 4 7 is 28, and p and the same base, p plus p to the power 1 plus 1, and q will be adjusted, that minus 28p square, and this is the answer. Okay beta. Now next question 4pq into minus 3p, p is go inside the bracket, first of sign plus and minus, 4 3 is 12, and p here 3 and 1 power 3 plus 1 and minus 12, p to the 4. And here question number 5 4p and 0, so 4p into 0 कोई भी क्वांटिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 0 हो जाता है, and this is the answer. Okay, pause this video, note down on your copy. Okay student, question number 2 from the NCERT book. Find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their length and breadth respectively. Okay, length and breadth having, so you know the area of the rectangle, length into breadth. So P and Q, P is the length, Q is the breadth. So area equal to P into Q. So variables are not same, so it will be adjusted PQ. You can write the here square units. Okay, you can write the square units. So area length into this part is the length and this part is the breadth. So 10 m into 5n. So 5 is 10, 50 mn. Okay, m and n are not the same variables, so it will be the m and n will be the adjusted. Here the 2x square length and 5. This is the length and 5y square the breadth. So this will be the length into breadth. Okay, 20x square into 5y square. 520 is 100 and x square y base are not same, adjust x square and y square. The length and breadth here, the area length into breadth, the 4x into 3x square, so 12x cube. The base variables are the base are the same. X here, the power shall be added 1 plus 2, that is your cube. Okay? Like that, the here length, this is the length, this is the breadth. So 3mn into 4nn, so 3 4 is 12, mn square. Okay, m here and n having the 2, so 1 plus 1 2 p and n square into p, that is the area. So you can write the square units. Next, one question देखो, question number 3, complete the table of the products. एक table दिया monomers के साथ monomer multiply देखो. First monomer, this is the देखो first, this is the first and the second. So it will be देखो and keep in the finger here. So this will be multiply. This के साथ multiply करके देखो that result. This is the multiply with that result. This is the multiply with that result. This is the multiply with that result. And this is the multiply with that result. देखो 2 7 is 14 and x4 and y. देखो 2 9 is minus 18 x4. This is the result. So one by one multiply करोगे तो all will be come. ठीक है ना? Like that. So already I have done this. You can watch this workout. So pause the video. Note down one copy. Note down on your copy. देखो. So it will be the multiply. देखो. This and this multiply this result. This multiply this result. Okay. Pause the video. Note down on your copy. Here the question 4. Obtain the volume of the rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Okay, volume equal to length into breadth into height. So this is the length, breadth and height. It will be the multiply. So this is the 5a into 3a square. Okay, multiply the first दोनों का multiply 3 5 15 a cube and 7 a to the 4 multiply the 7 15 is 105 and 3 plus 4 7 a to the power 7. इसको cubic units भी लिख सकते हैं. So here the length, breadth and height. So it will be the length, breadth into height. So 4 2 is 8. Okay, 8 pq, 8r and 8 is 64 pq. देखो all variables are not same. So all variables will be adjusted here. P and q adjusted. So here we देखो length into breadth into height. So that is the coefficient multiply the other 2 and x cube y square and 2x square y square. Then you to multiply 4 x4 y4. That is the result. Question देखो this is the length, breadth and height. So a into 2b. देखो all variables are not same. So all variables will be adjusted. 3 2 is 3 2 and 3 2 is 6 a b c. एक्सेटिव कर सकते हैं टुगेदर में. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो obtain the product. देखो यहाँ पे तीनों का मल्टीप्लाई करना है. obtain the product मैंने after multiplying the result is got the product. So it will be the xy into yz and zx. देखो here the ax and y देखो same base का देखो power shall be added हो जाएगा. variable same x square y square z square. that is the answer. देखो here देखो this into यहाँ पे नेगेटिव रहने के कारण इसको inside the bracket देखो keep in the bracket. So then first of all sign plus से minus, minus से plus से minus and a का power देखो 6. 1 plus 2 3 plus 6. That is equal to 6. Here देखो यहाँ पे there are 4 quantity. 1 2 3 4. So it will multiply 2 and first इसको multiply 8. 8 is 64. Okay, it is 64. समझ में चीज़ 64 and 64 into 16 multiply the 1024 and देखो y are the same. So power shall be added. 1 plus 2 3 होगा and देखो 3 3 plus 6 y to the first 1024 and this y to the power 6. That is the answer. Okay, pause this video, note down on your copy. Okay student, the question number 5 का are two parts देखो 4 and 5. Here a 2b 3c and 6 abc. It will be the multiply. So A into 2B into 3C into 6AB. First of all multiply their coefficient sign. First multiply sign plus, all having the plus हो गया. Then 2 3 is 6, 6 6 is 36. And then power देखो A here A square. Okay, 1 plus 1 2. B देखो B square, 1 plus 1 2. And C देखो C square, C का power 1 1 C square. Okay, and the 5 question देखो M into inside the bracket minus mn into mnp. Here first of all sign the plus and say minus and plus and say minus हो गया. Then the m having the 3 1 plus 1 2 and 1 plus 3 mq minus mq. N the 1 plus 1 2 n square and p 1, so p will be adjusted. All variables will be adjusted here. This is the answer. Okay. From the NCERT book 9.2 exercise, all questions have been done by me. So everybody watch my video clearly and next video watch करो class 8 का. Thanks for watching.